Hey, do you want to create a website? You don't know anything? Don't worry. I will show you a secret way how to create a website using AI in just a few seconds. Yes, just one, two, three, click. What you need to start building a website? Please don't skip this video and stay tuned. I will show you a secret way, step by step, how to create this website. Let's go. At first, I'm going to focus.com. Then you need to sign up here. Just put your Gmail. Then you can see this is a dashboard. Now, what type of website you need right now? Example of I need an online store. Then choose your niche. Example of I need a clothing website, clothing store. Example of this one. Now continue. Now you will select what type of offer do you provide in this website. Example of I there are lots of options. Choose online shopping, then continue. Now, what you want to do with your website? Example of sell product. Do you have an online business address? Only business address. So I choose this one. You can choose anyone. This is no matter and no problem. Now choose your branding name. Example of I choose FASSION fashion all. This is a good name. Actually, you can choose any name. Now you choose three highlight unique except of your business aspect. Example of I choose this one friendly service. This is a good. Then click here. How would you like your website visitor to contact you? Example of I choose this one. You can choose email address, phone numbers, no problem. Oh my god, you can choose this is a website. It's I create for me. So you can choose others. Just click on second style, quality signature. Oh, this is more attractive than I choose number third style. So I choose number one. This is a really really beautiful and cool. So wow, this is really really cool. So you can choose four different uh, font size. Example of this one. This is this this. So I choose number one. Then just create my website. Just click here. You can see yeah, I make a website for me. I'm waiting just few seconds. Wow, you can see this is my own website. Now, if you customize your website each by each, this is possible because, for example, of title, change, description, and this icon, this icon. If you delete this, just sure this is delete about us homepage, etc. etc. So I don't need any change. Then put your logo here. Then if you have a custom domain, just transfer this website here. So I don't need view, just click here view. Wow. So if you want to more video about this topic, please subscribe the channel and turn on notification bell. See you next video. Thank you. Tata.